If I told you that earning an extra $100 a day from home is possible without being famous, without spending thousands of dollars, and without having years of experience, would you believe me? Before you skip this video, do me one quick favor. Hit the like button because it tells YouTube to share practical money tips like this with more people, and stay until the end because I am going to tell you a simple strategy that many beginners completely overlook, and it could become your biggest income source. Let's be honest. Most people want to make more money, but they are tired of fake get rich quick videos. You click one on video and someone promises you will make $1,000 overnight with one click. Then you try it and nothing happens. That's frustrating. So today we are doing something different. Everything I will share is realistic, beginners friendly, and can actually be started from home. Will you earn $100 on your first day? Probably not. But with consistency, reaching $100 a day is a realistic goal. First, let's understand what $100 a day real means. It's about $700 a week or around $3,000 a month. For many people, that's enough to pay rent, cover bills, build savings, or even replace a full-time job over time. The goal is not finding one magical app. The goal is combining proven methods that actually work. Listen carefully. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying 10 different things at once. They spend 1 hour on surveys, another hours watching videos, another hour downloading random apps, and they never master anything. Instead, pick one or two methods and stick with them for at least a few months. Let's start with freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways to build an income because you are selling a skill instead of your time alone. Now don't back if you think you don't have any skills. Can you write? Can you edit videos? Can you design simple graphics? Can you organize spreadsheets? Can you manage social media? Can you use AI tools to help create content? Those are all valuable skills. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect freelancer with clients from around the world. Imagine someone needs a YouTube thumbnail. You charge $20. You complete 5 thumbnails in one day. That's already $100. Or maybe you edit short videos for creator at $25 each. 4 clients equal $100. It will not happen overnight, but many freelancers start exactly this way. This is important. You don't have to be the best in the world. You only need to be good enough to solve someone's problem. Business does not pay for talent alone. They pay for results. The second method is selling digital products. This is one of my favorite ways because you create something once and sell it many times. Think about printable planners, coloring pages, budgeting templates, resume templates, journals, study guides, or business checklist. People sell this on marketplace like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip. Here's a simple example. Let's say you create a digital planner and sell it for $10. If you sell 10 copies in one day, that's $100. Some days you might sell 1 copy. Others day you could sell 20. The key advantage is that you are not starting from zero every day because your products keep working for you. Most people do not know this, but many successful digital products are actually very simple. They solve one small problem real ways. The third method is content creation. Before you say, I am not famous, remember this. Every successful creator started with 0 subscribers. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, business need content. And audience love learning something useful. Now, content creation is not the fastest way to make money, but it can become one of the biggest. You can earn through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, and selling your own products. One helpful video can continue earning money for months or even years. Here's something interesting. Imagine one YouTube video earns just $5 every day. Thoughts, ads, and affiliate link. That does not sound existing, but if you have 100 video each earning around $5 a day, that's about $500 per day. That's the power of building a library instead of chasing viral videos. The fourth method is affiliate marketing. This simply means recommending products or service you genuinely like. If someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. For example, let's say you recommend a software that pays a $20 commission. If 5 people sign up in one day, you have earned $100. The best part is you don't need to create the product or handle customer support. Listen carefully. Never recommend products you does not trust. Long-term success comes from helping people, not tricking them. The fifth method is online tutoring or coaching. If you are good at math, English, music, fitness, photography, coding, or even learning another language, someone out this wants to learn from you. Many tutorial platforms let beginners teach online. Even 1 hour session can pay anywhere from $20 to $50 depending on the subject and platforms. 2 or 3 seasons in a day could help you reach your 100 goal. Now let's talk about survey and reward apps. Can they help? Yes. Can they consistently make you $100 every day? Usually not. Apps like Swigbucks, Inbox Dollars, Survey Jungle, and User Testing are legitimate option. User testing, for example, pays people to test websites and share feedbacks. Some testers can pay around $10 or more depending on the task. Swigbucks and Inbox Dollar offer rewards for surveys, shopping, and other activities. They are great for earning extra money, but they are better as side income rather than a full-time strategy. Here's a realistic combination. Imagine you earn $40 from freelance work, $30 from selling digital products, $20 from affiliate commission, and $10 from user testing or surveys. Together, that's your $100 day. Notice how you did not depend on the single income source. Now let me share something that changed the way many people think about earning online. Stop asking, how can I make money? Start asking, how can I help someone? Every dollar online comes from solving a problem. Business need customers, creators need editors, students need tutors, shoppers need recommendation. Once you focus on solving problems, money becomes the result. Another important tip is learning one valuable skill every month. Maybe this month you learn Canva, next month basic video editing, then copywriting, then AI tools. Each new skills increase your earning potential. Also, don't fall for expensive online courses promising instant success. There are thousands of free tutorials on YouTube that can teach you valuable skills. The real difference is not information, it's taking about consistency. Here's a simple weekly plan. Spend 1 hour every day improving a skill. Spend another hour applying for freelance jobs or creating content. Spend another hour building a digital products or promoting affiliate links. That's just 3 4 hours a day. Over time, thousands hours can completely change your financial situation. Remember, the goal is not to become rich overnight. The goal is to build income that grows month after month. Maybe your first month is only $100 total. Then next month $300 to $800, and next month $3,000 per month is possible. Progress may feel slow at first, but consistency beats shortcuts every single time. So can you earn $100 a day from home? Yes, but not through magic. It happens by learning valuable skills, creating useful content, solving real problems, and staying consistent long enough to see results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps the channel. Subscribe if you want practical online money making strategies with no fake promises, and it can comment below. Tell me which method you are planning to try first: freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, content creation, or online tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.